Home Remedies presents Cracked Heels. Here's a simple remedy, only one ingredient. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and today's video is for everyone out there who look at their feet and feel they are neglected. I will share with you a very easy to do and really beneficial remedy for cracked heels. And like always, the ingredient you will find where? Yes, in your kitchen. So I recommend to watch the video till the end. And without any more wait, let's start. Summer is a sandal wearing season, so keeping this in mind, we have to treat the rough, cracked heels in order to look stunning. Dead skin build up and dryness leads to cracked heels, and it is essential to work on them when the skin starts feeling slightly hardened. I was really surprised when I came across this cheap and easy solution. I had to try it and share it with all of you. I'm so glad that I did, because unlike moisturizers and creams, this method gets rid of the cracks and dry spots in just one treatment. Plus, it is all natural. The super ingredient here is the lemon. How to do it? Take one large lemon, cut it into 2 halves and juice it completely. Leave a bit of pulp on the inside of the 2 halves. That is what is going to work on the cracked heels. Now place your heels on each half of the lemon we have just extracted. You can use a pair of socks to keep those intact and in place. Let it stay for 30 minutes. In the meantime, you can just relax, watch your favorite show or anything. After 30 minutes, take off the socks and throw away the lemon halves. Wow! You will be surprised to see your all new feet. The acid from the lemon removes the dead skin cells and softens the skin. All the rough, cracked parts of the skin will be soft, smooth, and your feet will smell lemon fresh. Next, you can use any of your favorite oils to moisturize the feet. I chose coconut oil. I was so amazed with the results of this all-natural, cheap and simple remedy. It felt so nice and gave me a reason to relax as well. So what you are waiting for? Don't get embarrassed again. Go ahead and try this heel repair trick to maintain your soft, beautiful heels. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.